Good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see the unboxing video of the Press Pro AI 13 iron box, iron press, which is of 2 kg weight. And I already took this out, and it is little bit heavier only. Then only the iron of the clothes will be perfect. So I bought this on Flipkart. I'll show you that. See, as I said, I bought this on Flipkart, and today's price is 1490. When I purchased this, I got this around like 1600 rupees. Maybe 100 rupees decrease today. The price will vary, you need to check with that. And this is Rico AI 13 heavyweight Japanese technology 2 kg dry iron white, and mine is also white color. And they are saying like warranty. See here, many are asking in the comment section like what is the warranty period. 2-year replacement warranty. Okay, I'll come back to the video. Yeah, now we'll take this outside and I'll show you how much is the cable length, because many in the comments asking me to tell me the exact cable length, but uh, to measure this I don't have any tape. You can just observe in the video. When I iron this cable length is okay, fine. 3-pin cable, it's fine, and you can increase this to minimum and maximum. And remember, minimum means it's almost switched off. There is a indication light. I'll just turn this iron box. See here, this is the indication light. If you keep the heat in minimum, this will go off, means it is like turn off stage, means power off state. Okay, whenever it is getting heated, this light will be turn on, means there will be a red light. When you keep it to minimum, that will be off. There are heating numbers like 1 2 3 4 5, where 1 is the minimum and 5 is the maximum heating point for this iron box. And auto cutoff is there. When it reaches to the maximum heat, the light is going off, so that I assume that this is the auto cutoff. And see here, this is what the surface, how it looks. This is slightly like copper sort of finish here. And one thing I like about this iron box is, when I iron any wrinkle shirt or trousers, due to that heat and due to that heavy weight, I'm getting perfect iron for the clothes. And previously I used to use weightless iron box. When compared to the weightless iron box, this is Japanese technology. It is mentioned, as you already saw in the Flipkart's page. The iron is very good, this Rico product, and maybe you need to check the variations of the prices. And if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments, and let me know what is the current iron box you are using, whether the steam one or the weightless one or the weight one. Please do comment so that I'll get to know.